My name is Shivani and I'm back again with another video on Vedic multiplication, lecture 2. In this video, we will find the product of numbers that are related to base 10, base 100 and base 1000. In these questions, we have already solved, but in these questions, what is new? The numbers are more than 10, 100 and 1000, so the concept we use will be slightly different. In this question, you can see 16 and 12, they are close to 10. So we will use the base 10 system. Since 16 is greater than 10, we will use only the plus sign. And how much greater? 6. Same here. 12 is greater than 10. How much? By 2. So to find the product, what you will do, you will easily multiply them. 6 2 times, that is 12. If there is plus sign, you will add diagonally. You can either add 16 plus 2 or 12 plus 6. Both the answer would be 18. So simple, the product is 1812. In next question, we can see they are close to 100. How much close? Since it is greater than 100, by how much? 11. So we will use plus sign. 109 greater than 100. How much greater? 9. So if you want to find the product, 11 9 times would be 99. And here you will write the sum diagonally. 111 plus 9, that is 120. So you got the answer of 3 digits. In the next one, we can easily see that it's base 1000. 1009 multiply 1006 is greater than 1000 by how much? 9. By how much? 6. If it's greater than base 100, 1000 or 10, we use the plus sign. Here 6 9 times is 54. But as we know, in base 1000, it should have at least 3 digits in right hand side. So we will use 1 0 here, and here the sum of it diagonally. That is 1050. So in the same way, you can solve this question as your homework, and please let me know in the comments if you can solve it by this method. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and keep watching it.